Do y'all see the sheer size of this? Look at this desk mat. Why is this so big? This is supposed to be for a mouse, by the way. This is insane. This is, whose desk is this big that you need a mat this size? All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Right here, we have the Roccat Sense right here. This is actually a mouse pad, believe it or not. This thing is monstrously huge for no reason, and I'm going to show you. So I actually bought 2 of these because I planned on putting them side by side to put on my desk so I could put my mouse on top of it also. I'm going to show you how that looks by the end of this video, but first let's just cut this open. Is that enough? Put you over here too. All right. And we got that out of the way. This thing is just monstrously huge, pause, for no reason. So as soon as you take it out of the box, right? Look at this. Look at the size of this mat. This is ridiculous. And it's supposed to be a mouse for this. What are we talking about? I can put my old mouse pad on top of this and put this right here and have room. And then I can put my little knife over here in the corner and stuff. Like, this is crazy. Look how huge this is. So, for comparison reasons, now this was $7.99 at Ross. I'm sorry, Burlington Coat Factory, $7.99. I'm going to assume that the regular price, it says comparable to $27. These are probably about $30, $40 normally for just this size mat. This is my old one, just for comparisons. Obviously, the length is longer because it's sideways, but this is a whole mat, right? And if I put this on top, look, there's still more up here from the other mat underneath. This is crazy. So this is what I'm going to do for y'all, right? I said, this is going to be a good idea if I got 2 of these. My wife's like, this is not going to work. I'm like, it's going to work. It's going to work. Here we go. All right, grab the other piece. Let's see. Let's see if it works. If this works, this is nuts. Even if it doesn't, it's okay. Because I only spent like $14 for both of them combined, 15, 16 at the tax or something like that. All right, so I do plan on putting them side by side, but this is how it's going to look on my desk, right? And let me kind of make this sit up a little higher so you guys can see it. So it's going to be side by side, where you'll see this part, you'll see this part. One side will be the keyboard, the other side will be the mouse. Either way, this is a ridiculous size mat, and honestly, I'm not sure what to do with it. So for the people out there that have these types of mats that really like them, I mean, they're good, don't get me wrong, but this is just, it almost fills up my entire half of my desk on one side. It's a pretty big mat. Anyway, like and subscribe like always. You can find them at Ross right now. I'm sorry, I keep saying Ross. Burlington for $7.99. I actually got 2 of them at my location. I bought them, and there are some for the people in the Philadelphia area. I think it's like 9th and Market. They have it at Burlington Coat Factory. But I do want to also say, just check your local stores. They tend to have a lot of different products in general that are name brand and good. You never know. Anyway, like and subscribe. Peace. See you in the next one.